then pull the chain.
Anchorage for tags and mini screws.
7 and we have extracted 8.
Very time to see that the sinus retreats down individually.
From Sudan. It's very useful, very organized. The information is mainly clinical. I really recommend everyone to do it.
Hi, I'm Dr. Khushbu. It was quite a lot clinically inclined. Many of the cases that we saw could really help and plan treatments better in my practice.
My name is Yusuf Khadar from Lebanon. كثير منظم وكثير توب يعني بنصح أي حدا يرجع يشتغل فيه. كثير تيبس عطاني هذا الدكتور عمر يعني كثير بيفيدوا المجال الكلينيكال الشغل.
I'm from Syria originally, but I work in Cyprus right now. It was more than I expected. It was so in a professional level, like I did not expect that, to be honest, but yeah, like for the amount of money that we paid, it was really worth every penny.
My name is Dr. Ali Radi from Iraq. It was a very interesting course, very enriched, very compact. We have a lot of topics to cover and it was very helpful.
دكتور بشار محمد كوسة، أنا من سوريا. انطباعي عن الكورس بصراحة ما شاء الله دكتور كان في قيمة علمية كبيرة عطاها، في تواضع بالتعامل، ما شاء الله يعني حتى الدسكشن كان يعني عطانا وقتنا منيح لحتى نسأل ونتناقش بالمواضيع.
I'm Fatima Mukhtar Tom. I'm from Sudan, but actually live in Bahrain. I'm actually from the Sudanese Orthodontic Society, and he was recommended from my relative and friends and colleagues. It's really amazing. It's over expectations. It's very cooperative team. It's professional. It's really nice.
Dr. Najia Ilyas, and I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. It was excellent. I loved the content. I loved the way it was organized. It was very well organized. Everyone was very attentive to the little details, very cooperative, and the content was well delivered. It was something that I really wanted to learn about, and hopefully I'm going to apply it next week, inshallah.